Hey, it's Gene here for U.G.F.N. Once again, I'm up on the Perkiomen Creek, just above the waterfalls in Spring Mountain by the Spring Mountain ski slope. I'm going to go upstream. I had to drag it down across a park and over the hill here down into the water. It's very shallow here. I'm going to take the wheels off and head upstream. And let's see what we catch today. It may be windy other places. It's not windy up here. This is the section I call the Perkiomen Pond. There is a little wind. The leaves are not an issue. Trying a couple different things here. A lot of structure. Let's give it another shot. Alright, I'm not going to show you every fish I catch, but this is the first fish today. Nice little sunny. Got some color on them. Let's throw them back. Let's try to catch more. Beautiful up here. Just beautiful. I don't think you can see how big these boulders are. Okay, got another one. This is so nice here. I can't get over it. It's practically in my backyard, only a couple miles away. This is deep, dark water. Look at that. Wind is just starting to pick up a little bit. Well, I hate fishing with braided line up here when I'm taking 1,000 casts, because now all three of my lines are all tangled. So I guess I'm going to call it a day. Figured I'd show you some of the beauty up here at this place that I call Perkiomen Pond. Big rock formations. And you go right down into the water. I'm going to paddle upstream a little bit further. It's about 50 Canadian geese up there. I don't want to spook them. I'm not going to go up any further. This place is awesome. It's windy up above. Down here it's like glass. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. Had a good time up here by myself. Didn't catch many fish, but I certainly enjoyed the surroundings and the beauty that God let me enjoy today.